everybody, we are on the road today testing Fiat Doble 1.3 diesel engine, which came in with a power loss, DPF problems, and so many other problems, e.g. losing engine oil, high fuel consumption, stuff like that. Sir, you are driving your car. How was your car before you brought us, and how is it driving now?
I'm indeed. Hello everyone. Yep, so when we brought it in, it would have no acceleration. Maximum speed was about 50 miles an hour on the motorway. It was actually becoming dangerous to pull out at certain turnings, especially roundabouts and what have you. So we brought it in to see these guys at Supreme DPF, and I've just got in the van about 5-10 minutes ago, driving it now. Feels like a new car. Feels like a race car. You know, it's nippy. It's quick. It's responsive.
1.3.
It's clean, and
car.
it's you know, it's doing everything we want and more. I must understand it actually feels better than when we purchased it about 3 years ago. It feels like it's had a full overhaul. And
rejuvenated.
It's rejuvenated. Never felt better. It's been in the spa with these guys, and we're really happy.
I can see you got a smile on your face.
Yeah, very happy.
It tells me how you feel about it. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. We have another positive review from a customer. We are www.supremedpfcleaning.com, located in Westerham, Kent. We are specialized on diesel particulate filters, EGR valves, Adblue issues, NOx, SCR issues, power loss, black or white smoke, high fuel consumption. Also, we are Ghost Immobilizer Fitting Center and ECU Programming Tuning Center. You can reach us on 07533 636 194 with your requirements. We are here to help. Thank you.